you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And this episode is not installation. This is not something difficult. This is something really easy. I wasn't sure on making this video, and this is more like a review, not an installation. Actually, I'm just purchased this floor mat for the Subaru. This video is not a sponsor. I pay for this with my own money, but I'm gonna show you the results. And why I purchased this, I get this Motor Trend floor mats on eBay. I get them because actually I like them. They're really good. I have them on my Accord, and I'm not gonna replace the floor mats on this vehicle. Actually, I'm gonna put these ones because somebody take the car to the car wash and they forgot the floor mats. I'm not gonna say who, but just you can imagine. So now I have this floor mat. They just came in the mail, and I take advantage of getting new ones for this car, and I also get the one for the trunk. This kit is universal, so that means that you can cut it, and I'm gonna try this one in the trunk, which this one I'm gonna clean it, but first I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look. And we're gonna try to keep this one like brand new. If you can see right now, it's really dirty, but we're gonna prevent that from happening in case that we need to sell the car, and we wanna preserve this. And if you can see in the Accord, car is really dirty, but if you can see, I cut this part for the trunk release and the gas cap, and in the back you can see the same thing. It's all the way through. You can see it protects the middle too, which the ones that I get for the Subaru is not gonna protect the middle. You can see these ones for the back. They're single ones, they don't go all the way across. You see, guys, here on the driver's side, I already put this one on. The only thing that I need to do is I'm gonna have to cut a hole in there to have everything exposed. And passenger side looks really good. I don't have to do any changes to it. So now we're gonna move to the trunk. Okay, guys, so we had the one for the trunk right here, which is a very good way to protect your trunk, protect your floor mat, and hopefully we don't have to trim a lot. Probably I have to trim a little bit here, and maybe right here in this corner, and all the way on the front. I think I'm gonna have to trim all that, and I'm gonna start by trimming 2 layers on the second line right here. So maybe with that one it's gonna be good. This is done. You can see there, it looks really good. This is gonna protect your carpet and your trunk. It's gonna be amazing. And this is how much I cut from the corners, from the front, everything. And this is the end result. Cut a little bit in the corners, which is these corners, and these 2 on the side, and this one is on the front. And this is how much I cut from the front. The only one that I cut was the driver's side. Everything else is done. Really easy, guys. This is just I would say like trying this product. I know it works because I have it in my Accord, but this Motor Trend floor mats, they're really good. I'm not getting paid for it. I'm not sponsored, but this brand, I just pay for this with my own money, and I'm doing kind of like a review. And yes, I do recommend them. Really good. They work really good. They get the job done, which is protect your carpet. Or in case that you want to preserve the original floor mats, you can just add some cheap but still really good quality floor mats and preserve the original, just in case that you want to sell the vehicle. You can sell it with the original new floor mats, and then that, believe it or not, is gonna bring the value up to the vehicle, because most people, they want to see a clean and in good condition carpet. This is the best way to get the job done. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this little short video on protecting the interior of your vehicle. Guys, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.